Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how I went from this dirty kitchen to this nice, clean, pristine, smelling delicious looking kitchen. First thing, I just start off by using my favorite diffuser at the moment. I got this one from Walmart, and I just fill it up with some water, and I use my favorite essential oil, which is lemongrass, and I actually got this one from Amazon. Love this scent, it's amazing. So after I get my snazzy red apron on, I just start out by emptying out the dishwasher. And a lot of this cleaning video is dishes, emptying out the dishwasher or filling it back up, washing dishes, because that seems like the part of our kitchen that always gets really dirty. And I do have a smaller kitchen. I do live in an apartment with my sister, so this is our smaller kitchen, but I absolutely love this kitchen. It has granite countertops, wood floors, everything that I wanted. So now I just like to put on some dishwashing gloves just because I do have my nails done, so I like to protect those. And I'm using the Mrs. Meyers dish soap in the lemon scent, and that is my absolute favorite scent. I just feel like it's super clean and just smells delicious. And I do like to kind of scrub some things down before I put them in the dishwasher, just because I feel like some stuff the dishwasher can't get all the way clean, or some stuff might be stuck on, so I just like to do a little scrub before I put some stuff in the dishwasher. And now I'm gonna grab the stuff that not necessarily can go in the dishwasher, but I don't like to put them in the dishwasher. I do like to wash these certain things by hand, just because I feel like with pots and pans, it's just better to wash them by hand. That's just my personal preference. And this is a dish brush that I actually got from Dollar Tree, and I absolutely love this brush. It works really well to get like gunk and dried up stuff off of any pots and pans that you have, so I love this. So back from that quick break, so I just continue washing everything that needs to be washed. This is our big old crab pot that we use to make crab legs. So we made crab legs like a few days ago, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this. And if you want me to do like a crab tutorial or how we make seafood, then just let me know. If you can't tell, Queen Naja is like one of my favorite YouTube singing, and that's one of my favorite songs. now I just rinse everything off and I'll put it on my silicone drying mat, which I absolutely love. I got it off Amazon, and I used to have one that was kind of like a cloth memory foam, but this one I like a whole lot better because like after a few uses you can stick it in the dishwasher. It's really a lot better, and I feel like more hygienic than the other cloth ones were. So now I do switch sponges. I do use just a regular sponge without like that kind of textured side on my glasses and kind of drinkware, because I really don't need that, and I don't like to use the same sponge that I use on like pots and pans and dishes that I do on like drinking ware, because I just feel like it can give it like a certain smell that I don't like. So that's my little bougie tip of the day. So at this time, I take the time out to go ahead and clean my sink, and I just use a mixture of dish soap and a mixture of the barkeeper's friend, and I just kind of scrub it and scrub everything and then just rinse it clean. So after I get done washing everything, I just like to dry everything off with a towel. Now I don't do this every single time, but when I'm feeling real achievable in the kitchen, I like to do this because it makes the counter look really nice and clean, because there's nothing there cluttering the counter. After that, I just put everything away in their proper place. And I'll just wipe down the counters wherever I wash the dishes, because it gets splashed with water and everything. So just clean that down and put my silicone drying mat from Amazon back. So anything that's on the counters, like my Ninja or our electric egg cooker, I like to put them back where they belong in the pantry. And any lunch boxes or anything, I just kind of empty out stuff that's in there, and either put it in the dishwasher or throw it away. This is where I like to take my Mrs. Meyers all-purpose spray, and it's in the lemon scent, and I like to wipe down the counters just to get any crumbs or anything off the counters and make sure they're nice and clean. And moving on to my microwave. So I just use my Mrs. Meyers all-purpose spray, and then I also use the Method degreasing spray, and I really like using both of these. And I just wipe down my microwave inside and out, and I also use my favorite little specialty cleaning brush that I got from the Zala store, and that really just helps with those stuck-on pieces that get stuck in the microwave from microwaving and those splatters in there. So really and truly, get you one of these brushes. It's a Zala. Get you one. Treat yourself. As far as the outside, I just use this Weiman stainless steel cleaner and polisher, and I'm just starting to use this, so I don't have a full opinion about it yet, but I mean, it's okay. I just kind of have to get used to how to use it. And and I move on next to my stovetop, and I use the Method Degreaser spray as well, and I just wipe down my countertop. Any food or grease or anything, the stovetop always gets kind of icky, so I like this spray for that. And anything that's left on the counters, I just put them away, throw them away, what have you. And I do have like a pile of laundry over there on my ottoman because I am doing laundry at the same time. So that's why that laundry is just sitting over there. And I'm going to finish cleaning off the counters. So I'm going to use my Mrs. Meyers all-purpose spray again. Spray down those counters and wipe them off with my microfiber cloth. I do wipe my counters down with this microfiber cloth that I got from Target. And it was like a pack of 6, and so I just use them all over our apartment as well. And then after that, I take my Method Granite spray and I just spray that and wipe it down with a paper towel, and it really leaves like a streak-free shine on the granite countertops that I absolutely love. So I highly recommend this spray that I got from Target. All of the Mrs. Meyers and Method sprays I got from Target. I'm going to move and finish the rest of the countertops. Moving on, I'm just going to wipe down my refrigerator. So on the top half, I did use the Mrs. Meyers all-purpose spray and spray that down. And then I followed it with the Weiman stainless steel cleaner. And so sometimes I like to wipe down the cabinets pretty much around the knobs, just because those get kind of greasy from like cooking and touching the cabinets and just normal oils on our hands. So I like to wipe those down, and then I spray the front of my oven, wipe that down, and then I adjust the towels on there and just try to make them look pretty. And I don't know, like, I guess because we have multiple towels, I can never get this to look like nice and neat. Like always one is sagging, or you know, it just doesn't look how I like it. So I don't know, maybe I just need to have one. But this one I love. I think I got it from Walmart. It says why limit happy to an hour. Oh, so cute. We're a wine household, by the way. I just use my little Bissell sweeper, and this is actually a sweeper that I've had since I was in college. I do have a wireless vacuum that I will feature in another video, but I just use this because with the dark wood floors, any microscopic piece of dirt you will see. So I was constantly sweeping with a broom, and it really gets like tiresome. So I just use this sweeper just to make things easier and sweep the floors. And I will use my Swiffer now. And just a quick tip or hack, after I put the pad on, I get my favorite essential oil and I just drizzle that on there, and after that I mop the floors, and it smells like lemongrass for hours, darling. It's so luxurious. I just love it. It just makes my house smell so clean. You can do it with any essential oil that you prefer, but I just love that lemongrass. So try it. That's my hack of the day. And so now everything's nice and clean. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, like and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.